Day 21. Not goodbye, but see you later. Hi, and welcome to day 21 of How to Meditate. As always, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here, and congratulations for making it to the end of our meditation course. Today's session is all about reaching the end of a journey. Actress Kelly McGillis has a famous line: "Life is a journey, and it's about growing and changing and coming to terms with who and what you are, and learning to love who and what you are." Meditation is both an exploration and a training. It's an exploration into who we really are deep down inside, and it's a training in being more focused and more open and more compassionate and more aware. These parts of us can always use a little improvement. So for our last session together, let's play back some of the old hits that we've learned throughout this course and do one last workout of inner exploration together. Let's go. Okay, so you can start by closing your eyes. Get comfortable and just take a few deep breaths in. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you breathe in, it's like you're stretching up your spine. And then as you breathe out, it's like you're breathing out any tension within the body. As you continue to breathe, do a body scan and notice if there's any tension within your body. Softening the cheeks, easing the worry lines in the forehead, relaxing both sets of cheeks. Soften the belly. Also, don't forget to relax the shoulders. You're really allowing yourself to sink into the body and relax. See if you can let go of any tightness about this meditation, any judgments you might have. Self-compassion starts with acceptance. So we're going to start this meditation by accepting whatever is going on with us in this moment. We're accepting all the imperfections of our situation, the sounds, the distractions, any annoyances. All of it is allowed to be here. This is equanimity. Remember, equanimity is acceptance. Can you find a kind of relaxed, easygoingness in how you're sitting right now? So you're not going to get uptight about distractions or sounds in your environment, nor are you going to try to suppress anything going on inside, like thoughts or feelings. It's a kind of maturity, like you don't need things to be perfect. So our main instruction is to kind of stay with this attitude, the attitude of being totally open to all the sounds in the room, the sound of my voice, all your body's sensations and thoughts and feelings, all the bullshit that we're dealing with Donald Trump. They're all just passing through. Let's try not to change anything and just rest here for a bit. And now decide on a home base that works for you. Remember, a home base is the embodiment of our muscle of concentration. Concentration is our ability to choose what we want to pay attention to in the present moment. For the next little while, appreciate the simplicity of being in the present moment. Good. So when the mind wanders, and it will, notice that you've gotten distracted and come back. Every time we come back, we build the muscle of concentration. Every time you notice you got distracted, we build the muscle of clarity. And every time we're easygoing about this, we build the muscle of equanimity. Keep going. How still can you get? Can you let everything come and go? Can you enjoy the experience of being in your body right now? Meditation is radical simplicity, so simple and so healing. Keep going. We close our eyes and we sit. And in this act of simplicity, this act of caring for ourselves, we let our whole nervous system reset. Just a couple more minutes left. now, if you're not already there, really do nothing. Give yourself the gift of pure rest for the last minute. So, you're finished. How do you move forward with this meditation thing? The way that you already been doing it. A daily 10-minute sit with your favorite meditation teacher. Or maybe you want to try meditation without guidance. Either or is fine. What's most important is consistency and practicing every day or every other day. When you meditate every day, your mind and body can really lock into the habit. That's why you sit even when you don't feel like it, even when you think it's going badly. Because it's never really going badly, it's just going normally. You're building the habits of being okay with whatever is going on. And as you learn over the last 21 days, this is a key part of the training. And eventually you will start to find that meditation is happening even outside of meditation. On the bus, at work, walking the dog, even during sex. Your life just gets more reflective and more meditative. Anyway, I'm done with giving you the lessons and the guidance. Being your guide through this course has been a true honor for me. But all the credit for this course really goes to Jeff Warren. I took many of his teachings and regurgitated them in my own style, so I have to give credit where it's due. With all that being said, you can open your eyes. For the last time, this is your friendly neighborhood therapist, John. And this isn't goodbye, it's just see you later. God bless.